Step into a realm where architecture breathes. This is not merely a residence, it is a $10 million manifesto of the future. We are exploring a penthouse defined by bioorganic curves, floating steel, and glass that dissolves the boundary between sky and sanctuary. As the sun sets over a futuristic skyline, witness a design that defies gravity and redefines elegance. Prepare to lose yourself in a space where every detail is a masterpiece of innovation. Welcome to the pinnacle of ultramodern living. The journey begins at a threshold that feels like a portal to another era. The facade is a breathtaking display of bioorganic architecture, where curved glass walls wrap around the structure like a transparent ribbon. Massive steel beams provide a sharp, industrial contrast to the fluid lines. A floating glass bridge leads you over lush, tropical greenery that thrives in the building's microclimate. As the golden hour hits, the entire entrance glows with a prestigious warmth. Is this a home, or a glimpse into the next century? Inside, the living room explodes with a sense of infinite volume. Double-height curved glass walls offer an uninterrupted panorama of the city below. The centerpiece is a gravity-defying floating staircase of glass and steel, winding upward like a DNA strand. Ultramodern white sofas follow the natural curves of the room, nestled among integrated indoor gardens that purify the air and soften the aesthetic. High-contrast sunset light paints long, dramatic shadows across the floor. Can you feel the heartbeat of modern luxury? The master suite is a sanctuary of quiet power. A 270-degree view through seamless glass walls ensures the city is your constant backdrop. The king-sized bed floats on a polished steel platform, appearing to hover above the floor. Bioorganic textures on the walls are highlighted by hidden LED channels, creating a soft, ethereal glow that complements the descending sun. It is a space designed for the ultimate rest, where expensive materials meet futuristic vision. Will you ever want to wake up from this dream? In the kitchen, minimalism meets high-tech functionality. A monolithic island of white marble and brushed steel stands as a functional sculpture. The cabinetry features bioorganic contours that flow seamlessly into the ceiling, hiding state-of-the-art appliances from view. Even here, the greenery is present, with integrated herb boxes built directly into the sleek surfaces. The sunset reflects off the polished stone, turning every meal into a cinematic experience. Is this the most sophisticated kitchen ever conceived? Ascending to the mezzanine, the perspective shifts. This glass-floored gallery allows you to look down into the living heart of the home while feeling suspended in air. Polished steel railings provide a slim, secure border that doesn't obstruct the view. Bioorganic pillars rise like trees, supporting the structure while adding an elemental feel to the high-tech environment. From here, the scale of the penthouse truly becomes apparent, balanced between intimacy and grandeur. Do you have the courage to walk on air? The master bath is a private spa that rivals the world's finest resorts. A floating stone bathtub serves as the focal point, positioned against a curved glass wall that overlooks the neon-lit city. One wall is entirely alive, a bioorganic moss installation that brings the freshness of nature into this high-contrast space. The water reflects the deep oranges and purples of the fading sky, creating a sensory experience that is both grounding and transcendental. Is this the ultimate definition of modern tranquility? The entry plaza, or front yard, sets a sophisticated tone before one even enters. Floating stone pavers lead the way, interspersed with bioorganic sculptures that mirror the building's curves. The landscaping is a curated mix of exotic flora and architectural steel accents. Under the twilight sky, the penthouse's glass facade acts as a giant lantern, casting a soft light over the meticulously designed greenery. It is an invitation to a lifestyle of unparalleled grace. Ready to see what lies beyond the garden? The rooftop is the penthouse's crowning jewel. An indoor-outdoor infinity pool curves along the edge of the building, its water appearing to spill directly into the futuristic skyline. Floating steel lounge platforms offer a place to rest among the clouds, surrounded by lush islands of greenery that thrive at this altitude. The high-contrast horizon of the city provides a shimmering border to this aquatic paradise. This is where the earth ends and the future begins. Can you imagine a view more breathtaking? The home office is designed for the modern visionary. A sleek, floating steel desk serves as the command center, paired with an ergonomic chair that follows bioorganic principles. Curved glass walls ensure that inspiration is never far away, offering a soaring view of the city's architectural evolution. Smart glass partitions allow for instant privacy or total transparency at the touch of a button. It is a workspace that fosters both productivity and peace. Is this where your next big idea is born? The garden terrace, or backyard, offers a more intimate connection with the outdoors. Seating areas are carved directly into the bioorganic architecture of the building, creating cozy alcoves lined with expensive, weather-resistant fabrics. A small, floating water feature provides a rhythmic soundscape, while dense greenery creates a wall of privacy. The glass walls of the penthouse reflect the last rays of the sun, creating a shimmering kaleidoscope of light. Is this your favorite corner of the sky? This contemporary penthouse is more than just a home, it is a vision of what is possible when nature and technology harmonize. Through bioorganic curves and floating structures, we have toured a space that challenges the status quo of luxury. Thank you for joining us on this architectural journey. If you crave a life lived at the intersection of art and innovation, the future is already here. Don't forget to subscribe for more elite designs.